Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Today we're making pancakes so fluffy, they could be used as pillows in a dollhouse. Grab your spatula, and let's split this thing like a bad to pay on a windy day. Step 1. Mix dry ingredients in a bowl. Toss together flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give it a stir like you're mixing up excuses for being late to work. Step 2. Wet ingredients in another bowl. Whisk the milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla. Whisk it like you're auditioning for an invisible drum solo. Step 3. Combine. Now pour the wet into the dry. Don't overmix, just stir until it looks like pancake batter, not cement. Unless you like chewing through drywall. Step 4. Cook em. Heat a pan, drop in some butter, and scoop the batter in. Wait for bubbles on top before flipping. This is the pancakes way of saying, "Hey buddy, I'm ready to roll over." Step 5. Serve. Stack them high, drizzle with syrup, and boom, you've got pancakes fluffier than your neighbor's emotional support poodle. And that's it. Easy pancakes that'll flip you out. If these don't make you smile, you probably forgot the syrup or the joy in your heart.